Hey everyone, Shanos here, and welcome to the last video of this 3-step training series. In this video, in the final video, we're going to talk about what you need to do after you make a sale on Clickbank, or in fact on any affiliate network, not just Clickbank. Okay, so in first video we talked about some basics of Clickbank and how how you can work around Clickbank, and then in second video I talked about how you can send targeted traffic to your offers on Clickbank. And then now in this video I'm gonna tell you what you need to do after you make your first sale, or in fact every sale that you make on Clickbank, because there's a mistake that many affiliate marketers make, and that is they just stop after they start getting some sales, and that's a huge mistake, because what you need to do is you need to grow your business after you start getting these sales. And this is what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to give you two very important tips that you can use to grow your Clickbank business and make more money. Okay, so let's go over these two things. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is tracking. Now when you make a sale, you need to know where is your sale coming from. I'm not sure if I covered this on the first video or not, but the way you track your sales on Clickbank is very simple. All you have to do is just to add a sub ID to your affiliate links. Now if you take a look, for example, this is my results from about 3 weeks ago. It's a day, $94. It was a slow day, obviously. And take a look, I had a sub ID. So basically these two are telling me that this sale came from a video on YouTube, and what was the video, when was it posted, and what was the video about. So now I know exactly where's my sale coming from, and I can go back and optimize it. Okay, I'm not sure if I talked about sub IDs, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you how you can get your sub IDs. So all you gotta do is just go to the Clickbank marketplace, and when you choose a product, let's say for example I'm gonna choose this product, you click on promote, and when you want to create, before you create your affiliate link, all you got to do is just add the tracking ID. For example, if I want to advertise this link on Google advertising and Google AdWords, what I'm going to put is Google Ads campaign 22 or something like that, something that's going to tell me where's the source and what is the actual campaign on that source. Okay, so when you do that, when you put your tracking ID, you're just going to click on create, and you get your link with a tracking ID. If you take a look, you can see TID equal your whatever you put in there. So this is how you track, and it's absolutely important. I've talked about this a lot before. It's very important to track your sales, track your links, and know exactly where are your sales coming from, so you can optimize and go back and change them, make them better, and to get more sales from those sources. So this is the first step. Make sure you know where's your sale and where are your sales coming from, and use tracking IDs to track your sales. Now the next thing is, obviously, you need to follow up with them. The best way to follow up with your customers from Clickbank is to use a follow-up series. For example, I have this on Aviber, and I send these emails every day to my subscribers from Clickbank. Now if you remember, I talked about how it's very important to not send people directly to your sales page. What you gotta do is you need to send them to a landing page like this, where they put their name and email, and then you're going to send them to your offer. What's going to happen is you're going to get their name and email, and then you can follow up with them in future and make more sales. So this is how you build a business, guys. It's very important to go back and follow up with them, alright? And this is the Aviber is how you do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. So again, it's very important to track your sales, know exactly where they come from, so you can go back and optimize them. And for example, if a campaign is not working, so at least it's not working, so you can stop it, so it's going to save you money. And also it's very important to follow up with them, so make sure to capture their names and emails so you can follow up with them and make more sales in future. So that's my last tips on Clickbank. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos in future, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Alright, so I'm gonna see you in the next video.